Good morning, my dear students. Hope you are all being safe and sound. You are in 4th standard, term 2, chapter 5. Now, in this video, we are going to study about time. In the first term, we have learned calendar. Let us know more about time. Express the time in terms of AM and PM. Children, look at the clock. What's the time now? Yes, it is 9 o'clock. The 9 o'clock in the morning is 9 AM. Likewise, the 9 o'clock in the night is 9 PM. 9 o'clock in the night is 9 PM. Let us see what is AM. AM stands for ante-meridiem. This means before midday or before noon. The AM time period is the 12 hours from midnight until noon. 12 AM is the start of a new day. Now we are going to see what is PM. PM stands for post-meridiem. This means after midday or after noon. The PM time period is the 12 hours from noon until midnight. 12 PM starts the second half of the day. Using AM or PM. From midnight 12 o'clock to noon 12 o'clock we can say AM. Hence we get 12 hours. And from noon 12 o'clock to midnight 12 o'clock we can say PM. Hence we get 12 hours. Thus add up to 24 hours. This is equal to 1 day. Write the time using AM or PM. First, one has done for you. Student, look at the first one. 8 o'clock in the morning. That is 8 AM. Second one, 4 o'clock in the evening. That is 4 PM. Third one, 10 o'clock in the night. That is 10 PM. Fourth one, children, what is noon time? Yes, it is 12 PM. So, 5 hours after noon is 5 PM. The fifth one is similar to fourth one. From the noon time 12 PM. 3 hours before is 9 AM. Children, look at the clock. From midnight to noon we can write 0, 0 is to 0, 0 to 11 is to 59. And from noon to midnight we can write 12 is to 0, 0 to 23 is to 59. Now we are going to change time to 12-hour clock. Just subtract 12 from the hour. That is, subtract 12 to 13 is to 0, 0 to 23 is to 59 and include PM. Let us see some examples in a random way. 13 is to 0, 0 minus 12 is equal to 1 is to 0, 0 PM. 14 minus 12, 2 PM. 15 minus 12, 3 PM. 18 minus 12, 6 PM. 21 minus 12, 9 PM. 23 minus 12, 11 PM. Let us see an example. Children, look at the time on this digital clock. 20 is to 27. Is it evening? Yes. The clock says 20 hours and 27 minutes. Subtract 12 from 20 hours. 20 minus 12. There is no change in minutes. 0, 0. 0. We can't subtract 2 from 0. So borrow from 2. 10 minus 2, 8. 1 minus 1, 0. So the time in 12-hour clock is 8:27 p.m. Now we are going to change time to 24-hour clock. Just add 12 to the hour. That is, add 12 to the hours between 1:00 and 11:59 p.m. and eliminate p.m. Let us see some examples in a random way. 1:00 plus 12 is equal to 13:00. 4:00 p.m. plus 12 is equal to 16:00. 10:00 p.m. plus 12 is equal to 22:00. Activity. First one, convert the following clock time into 24-hour time. 12-hour, 24-hour. 4:25 a.m. We want to convert into 24-hour. 4:25 hours. 9:20 a.m. That is 9:20 hours. 6:30 p.m. That is 6:30 plus 12. 0, 3, 6 plus 2, 8, 1. That is 18:30. Second one, convert the following clock time into 12-hour time. 24-hour, 12-hour. 11:00. That is 11 a.m. 8:00. That is 8 a.m. 12:28. That is 12:28 p.m. 16:20. That is, we want to subtract from 12. 0 minus 0, 0. 2 minus 0, 2. 6 minus 2, 4. 1 minus 1, 0. That is 4:20 p.m. Thank you, students. Study well. Don't waste your time. Bye.